Good morning, everyone. I want to thank you all for coming to the meeting. This meeting is very important. We need to finalize the marketing project. The deadline is next Friday, and we're still not in agreement. So, let's try to find a solution today. I am sure we will find the best option. Well, to be honest, Mr. Jenkins, I think we should change of direction. We should change the direction of the project. The original idea is not working. It's boring. It won't get people's attention. We need something new, something bold. Wait. We already have a plan. We spent 2 weeks on that plan. Why do you want to change everything now? This is not the time to restart. Because the plan is weak, Patrick. It's just the same old strategy. We need to do something different. This time, if we want results. Our last campaign didn't work very well, remember? Well, that's why. What? No, that's not true. It worked fine. And this one is better. You just want to change things because you like doing everything your way. That's not fair. I want the project to be better. That's all. I'm trying to help.
Okay, guys, please, can we stay calm? We're all on the same team. And we want the same thing, a successful project. Maybe we can look at both ideas and try combine the best parts.
Thank you, Laura. That's the right attitude. Well done. But Terry and Patrick, please, I need both of you to stop fighting and explain clearly what you think is the best option. That could work well. Okay, thank you, Mr. Jenkins. I will start. Here's what I suggest. Instead of the old brochure and boring email campaign, let's make a video. A short, fun video that shows our product in real life. Something with music, color, maybe even a little humor. People today love videos. They don't read long texts anymore. I believe this idea can go viral. We can post it on social media and it can reach thousands or more.
That sounds interesting. But will we have enough time to make the video?
Yes, of course. If we start today, I already have a few ideas for the scenes and also a friend who makes professional videos. He can help us. Wait, this is exactly the problem. You already made plans with your friend, and we didn't even agree to the new idea. Terry, this is not teamwork. It's just you doing everything by yourself. That's not correct. No, Patrick. I just prepared in case we needed it. I'm trying to save time. Okay, Patrick. Now you tell us, why do you think the original plan is better? Because it's simple and clear. We already have the content, the design, and the email list ready. Our customers are professionals. They don't want jokes or music. They want real information. Our plan explains the product, the benefits, and how to contact us. It's direct, and we already did the best. We know it works. I don't understand why we want to risk everything.
That's also true. The original plan is safe, but maybe it's a bit too safe.
But safe is good when there is no time. We have only a few days. If we try something new now and it fails, we lose everything. Keep that in mind. But if we don't try something new, we'll keep getting the same results. And honestly, our results are not great. We need to be creative. We need to be brave. Sometimes it's good to take risks. I mean it. You always say be creative. I've heard that a lot of times. But you don't listen to the team. It's always your way or nothing. And you never take risks. That's why your ideas are always boring. Enough. Both of you stop. This meeting is not a boxing match.
Guys, please, we're losing time. Maybe we can mix the two ideas. We can keep the email campaign, but add a short video at the end. That way, we try something new, but we don't lose the safe structure.
Now, that's a smart suggestion. What do you both think about that? Okay, I still don't like rushing into video production, but if it's short and simple, maybe it can work. But we must not change everything. Um, I think we only need to just add the video as a plus. That's all. I can live with that. I'll keep it short. Maybe 30 seconds. Just to catch attention. And we don't cancel anything. We just add value.
See? That's teamwork. Everyone gives something. Everyone wins.
Excellent. That's the spirit I want in this company. Now, let's do this. Terry, write a basic script for the video tonight and share it tomorrow morning. Patrick, you help Laura check the final version of the emails and prepare them. Laura, coordinate both sides and send me the update by Thursday noon. Let this be a lesson. Ideas are important, but respect and communication are more important. We don't grow by fighting. We grow by listening. Now let's go back to work and make this project amazing. Good job! If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.